So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find the host's phone number on Airbnb. So once you boot up airbnb.com, you will see a layout similar to this one. I suggest you log into your account, but it isn't really necessary. You can see underneath some options to rent. So it's about renting places, and you can even place your own listings for other people to rent. Now, let's say we choose this one. I just chose it at random. And from here, you can see some translation settings. You can see underneath all the options given. So you can see hosted by Johan, superhost. He's been hosting for 6 years. That's great. You can see some other information that may be necessary to you, like Wi-Fi, pets allowed, hair dryer, and so on. And you can see how long you will stay. You can see again the ratings it got, and you can see some reviews underneath. So if you wish to ask this host, in this case Johan, about some their information that you want to learn, you can click on his profile. You can see here experienced, and you can see the option message host. Now through here you can see contact him. Most travelers ask about this price and so on, and you can send a message through here, and in there you can just be polite and ask, hello, can I get your phone number? And through there, if you get an answer and you can maybe talk more easily through there, after that you'll be all set. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Airbnb or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.